Hey everybody, this is Mark from DetectorStuff.com, and thought I'd do a little unboxing of the Makro Multi Kruzer today. So let's take it apart and see what we have. Nice little handle on the top of the box. What do we have here? Let's see. Okay, box of Kruzer VE Multi Kruzer, so we'll take a look at that. Makro Detector started in Istanbul, Turkey in 1986, and since then they have really been hit the ground running, creating new detectors for the hobby market, and they also do security and military and technical systems. So here it looks like the owner's manual and warranty. These have a 2-year warranty on them. Nice. That's what the user's manual looks like. Pretty complete. A lot of pages, a lot of pictures. Good. I warn some of you that are watching this, I've heard people say that I have a slight southern accent, and I don't know whether to believe them or not. Anyway, I just want to give you a heads up on that. Wireless headphones. These are nice. Let's see. Charging port. Looks like an old style USB port right there. And an on-off switch. Nice and lightweight. Very flexible. Good. Okay, what else we got? Search coil. Okay, Makro Kruzer. I saw on the website there are multiple optional search coils for this machine, so that'll definitely be a big plus. It's like the lower stem feels like some type of polymer composite, nice and light, heavy durability, that is. What else do we have? Another box with accessories. We'll look in those last. See what we have. Here we go. So, hey, nice, a rubbery finish handle. I like the feel of that. Can't wait to get it all put together and test out the balance and the ergonomics. Comes with a little screen protector that you peel off like a lot of electronics do. Nice positive click buttons that are under it feels like a pretty heavy rubber membrane of some type. Awesome, cool. On the back side, it looks like we got a waterproof cover for, I guess, headphones. I haven't looked yet, but I imagine that's what it's for. And probably the other side is the search coil. Let's see what else we have here. Here's the upper stem. Good. And a disposal warning and metal detecting code of ethics, which hopefully everybody out there follows. That seems to be it. So let's see what's in these little white boxes. Probably chargers and such. Okay, good. Oh yeah, there we go. So apparently this is a charging. What is this? I'll check this out better. It looks like a charging station or an extra battery pack, maybe. They do new. I'll have to check this out a little further. It's like the coil screws to hold it on the lower arm. Here's a stand apparently for the bottom. Interesting. Okay, what else we got? This comes with some instructions. Maybe I should look at those. You know, guys just don't like looking at instructions, so we don't have to. So that's the waterproof battery pack assembly. Okay, cool. The battery pack does not come with batteries. That's okay. Alright, what's in this one? Oh, I love it when a machine comes with a arm strap. Some people don't use them. I do, especially if I'm at the beach, because sometimes I'll let the detector hang down on the strap while I am digging up goodies. So I'm glad to see that. We also have apparently international charger with a standard USB port, and this appears to be a charger for probably the I don't know, I have to read that one. And here is the, looks like for the headphones. And then here we have, oh, here are the surge coil bolts. So those were for something else a minute ago. We'll check that out. It's probably to hold that battery pack onto the machine. So anyway, there you have it. Very nice. I'll put it all together and do another video soon. I'm going to be hitting some test sites around as well as my test garden. And if you like what you see, please subscribe and hit like, and come see us at detectorstuff.com. Thank you.